a lot of business owners and entrepreneurs are neurodiverse, right? This is well known. We're attracted to the risk taking, we're attracted to the dopamine, we're attracted to the challenges and the problems that come with it. And every neurodiverse person I've met has much better Spidey senses than your average neurotypical person on these things, right? Like, you don't even have to say something spammy to me for me to know you're about to pitch me. I can just see it coming. I've never ever wrong. I know for a fact, right? Okay, I'm going to answer this like this. And then the next thing you're going to do is, bam, there you go. Thank you. Yes, you have a webinar coming up in a week's time. And would I like to attend? No, I wouldn't. No, thank you. I don't know who you are. And no, I really don't need to have your services rammed down my throat more. Thank you.
David laughs at me. Do you do this? Sometimes I will intentionally take one knowing they're going to pitch me just to prove myself right.
Yeah, all the time. Yeah, all the time. Yeah, I don't want to be a bad person here. Maybe I'm cynical, but I think this is what's going to happen. Oh, yep, not cynical.
But we're so aware. That we are awareness that we want to make sure that we're not being cynical on it. That's an awareness in itself that's a superpower, that we actually test ourselves rather than just automatically assume. But I do. I took one just the other day and I could tell. I knew it. And no, she started off immediately. She sends me a message. She's praising what she sees. It's enough that she's obviously has looked at my profile. And then the next thing when I responded back was, I asked her, what was it about the relationship over algorithm? Because she said, oh, I love how you build relationships over functioning for the algorithms or something like that. And I came back and I said, so what was it about that really attracted you? And she's like, oh my God, the relationship building. And have you thought about writing a book? It's like, that was it. That was quick. That was very quick.
But we all feel it, right? Like, we all feel it. And I think I've said this before. I think a lot of people wait until they're desperate to try outreach, right? They assume that their marketing and sales is going to work and it's going to bring people in. I just need to wait long enough. And the runway runs out. And now I'm in desperation status because this month I need to bring money in, or I need to bring it in now. And the only thing that brings in results now is called pitching now. And now works for you. It doesn't work for them. Is the sad truth of it. Like, we value relationships over almost everything else.